Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Thursday the 20th of April and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the price of gold. So here we have the daily on the gold price, and each bar represents 1 day's trade. Now you can see that we broke above at the start of last week. We broke above the downtrend in red line. That's the 200-day moving average. It's still moving down, so therefore is a medium-term negative on the market, but it's positive that we are above it. And if you can actually see back in November, when the 200-day, December, January, when the 200-day rolled over, we were about at this level. So as long as we can hold up here, the 200-day will start to turn round. You can see that we're above the 20 and above the 50, which is positive for the shorter term. The key to this gold price at the moment is the resistance that we're seeing, and the best place to see that is on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly. Each bar represents 1 week. I've drawn this downtrend through the highs that you can see there in November and then in December, the 9th of December. We are above there, which is positive, but what you can see is we need to break the pattern of these lower highs. That would take a break above this level here, which is about 1333. But the key for the short term is the 1300 level. Whether we can get above the high of last week, which was at about 1294, and then there's another resistance level from these highs here at about 1295. So they seem to be the key levels. The market could consolidate further. RSI slightly starting to unwind, is at 64. Starting to show a loss of momentum, as is the MACD. So that could indicate that we're going to get a further sideways move. Let's look at the short term. This is the 4-hour chart. Each bar represents 4 hours. You can see that the 24-hour average is now rolled over, but we're going to get support imminently from the rising 54-hour moving average, which is at 1275. That could give the support. Here the RSI and MACD are negative, showing negative momentum. The RSI has now come back below 45, down below 50 at 45, and the MACD are tracking downward, just about to go below 0. Hopefully on this 4-hourly you'd see that the 54-hour would hold the support, and then going back to the daily, which would be at the 1275 level, you would then hope that would be the end of the consolidation. Then we can get the push up to break the resistance. On this chart, I really wouldn't do anything until we do break that resistance at the 1295 level. And looking at the resistance points, as I've said, key points 1294 spot 82, 1295 spot 61, with supports at the 20-day 1262.53, and then the 50-day 1242.92. So that has been TA for Traders, looking at the gold price on the 20th of April. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's more videos coming. I don't just cover commodities, I cover single equity in both the US and UK, Forex and equity index, and there's more videos to come. Please do remember that these are not meant to be investment recommendations. They're just my opinions, are for educational purposes only. Please do read the disclaimer. Thank you.